Hello everybody, we're going to start in 2-3 minutes. All right, 2-3 minutes, we'll get started. Good morning, guys. Get the tickers and questions in. Post them in. Also, like up the stream. Also, subscribe if you haven't. I see we hit 5,000 subscribers, which is nice. But yeah, let's get the questions in as well. I much prefer the questions, please. Much prefer those. See you in 2-3 minutes. All right, what up, guys? Hello. Let me change my screen over. Is this moving? Yes. We need to do a couple things. First thing is, we have it all here. Let me just repost this link out so we get everyone in there. I see everybody's questions. Keep them coming in. Please do not spam them. I see everybody's questions. So if you've typed it, I've seen it. So if you ask again, then I will just ignore you. Okay, so please be smart. You have one chance only, and it's not to spam. Right? Please do not keep posting. Thank you. Right, we are live. I am sick, yes. Live trading on YouTube now. Everybody join. Everybody join. I will not be as active, but I'll mention it throughout the stream. I won't be as active on Twitter as much this week since Hassie is away. So it will be just myself in the Discord, so I'll be focused mainly in the Discord as well. I will post the link up there for the Discord for you if you want to join. I'll just do that now real quick so I don't forget. 1 second. Open Bitif, SPY, Tesla, LBS, BVI. So, all right, cool. Let me just send you this Discord link quickly. This is, you can choose between 1 or 3 month tier. On the 1st of October, the prices will be going up to $130 a month and $300 a month. And yeah, monthly or yearly is only for current members. Yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Let me go through Twitter. I've got a bunch of charts to do here, and then I'll get to everyone on YouTube. All right. EasyGeo. Not really interested in something like this. It's under $1. I don't trade stocks under $1. It's just my personal preference. I don't know how to trade them very well, so I avoid them. EasyGeo. Does sound working? Yeah, and then I'll get. Right, cool. Sounds working. EasyGeo, ORBS. Give me 1 sec, guys. ORBS. ORBS, absolutely nothing on this. Bearish downtrend, $20, maybe above that. $21 actually. So nothing on this. ORBS, nothing unless $21 break. A lot of people ask me about price targets and all these things. I'll go and clarify about that throughout the stream. It might amaze you to what I'm going to say to it, but yes, just stay tuned for what I'm going to talk about in regards to that. Open, pretty interested when people post this. Leave conversation. Please don't tag me with other traders. I don't care what they have to do or what they have to say. I just share my own charts on my Twitter. FedEx, I don't have FedEx. Here, don't know what it is. ULGN, what's happening here? Nothing at the moment, still in the falling wedge. Also, if you don't speak English, guys, I'm not going to try and translate and everything. Yeah, I'm an English speaking person. Sorry. WLF, we'll see what happens here. We have a nice little demand zone formed here. We can use this larger time frame, so we have this demand zone here, like this. So we can see what happens with this. I mean, I do like this play for longer term. This does run with Bitcoin from what I do remember. So keep this on watch. So we have a demand zone here, possible falling wedge. Yeah, we actually do. So we'll see. Next psychological level we can put is 1050. So we have 1050 right here. So we have a few confluences that I do look for when I'm looking for an entry on this play. But yeah, at the moment Bitcoin is down. Falling wedge plus demand zone. So when I talk about these two things, falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern, meaning price should go up. Demand zone is where buy step in, so it should reverse and go up. GoPro, this is the play I'm watching today, waiting for 266 break. GoPro waiting for 266 break. Keep the questions, everyone, coming in. I will go over everyone's questions, all right? I see them all. I see them all. I see the last person who asked about, just a reminder that you're the massive goat. Thank you, brother. Much love. Thank you. Thank you. That's the last one. APLD is the last question I've seen. All right, so I see everybody's. I'm not ignoring you. Don't worry. FLGC, I don't know why people ask me about this. I don't like this play at all. Nothing unless $100. Entries only above $100 on this. Not interested in something that's $100 on my style trade, so I just avoid it. Right. Let's get caught up. Yes, I am sick, unfortunately. Let's just make sure that we have everybody in here. I'm going to just repost this quickly, and then we'll get started. All right. Join. Cool. All right. Let's go. Yes, what up? ZNB. ZNB is right here. Yeah, looks good. I'm watching this today. 241 break is what I'm looking for entries to hopefully fill the gap. Not fill the gap, fill the wick here at 304. So I'm waiting for 241. I know some Discord members are already in this. Waiting for 241 break. So I will wait for market open. If it breaks above here, I'll wait 30 minutes. See if it gives me a setup on the 5 minute. Then I'll look for my entry on that. Hello, my friend. What's up? QSI. Quantum plays are very good. I like them long term. I'm bullish on them long term. All of them, every single one of them. I like them all. Right now, we are in a little downtrend. We can use this little focus on just this price action here, or this these candles here. We have a possible bullish pennant forming, which is a bullish continuation pattern. That means that price should continue to go in the direction that it's previously been running, which is bullish uptrend to go up. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. It doesn't mean it's going to go up 100%, not 99%, not 99.999%. I would not know how much percent it is, but I would say at least 50, 60, 70% chance of going to. Bullish pennant. Very, very nice. EOSE, 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 EOSE. EOSE is obviously another one, very bullish. Energy is very bullish. I think NNE as well is also bullish. That follows the play. Personally, would want this to close above a psychological level, which is $11. Maybe above $11 would look good for entries. However, for me, I would need it to pull back at some point. Maybe demand zone here at like 970 level. Right, there we go. Those are your levels. Key levels. Major resistance at $11. Microsoft. Right, guys, let's like up the stream. Come on, it's free. It costs you absolutely nothing. Subscribe if you haven't as well. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. It costs you $0 to join the Tiger Line Trading YouTube. I'll just give you key levels on this. I'm not really gonna do anything else. Microsoft here. Here's your key levels. I mean, it just needs to hold the previous high or previous low, which is around here. Here's Microsoft trend, Microsoft key levels. There we go. Hi Tiger, what do you think of Agri? It went crazy as soon as I got home. It's an absolutely insane play right out there. Right now, nothing. Probably pulling back into like a demand zone here. Look for possible entries around here, but at the moment the range is too high for me. When I'm talking about the range, I'm talking about the range of the candle on one time frame, which is the time frame I'm using, 5-minute time frame. So what I do is I measure the range of the previous candle or any candle. I know from the high to the low, this candle is 7%. For me, that's a very high range. I like to trade something maybe no higher than 7%. So these candles are moving in 5 minutes, 8%. What do you think of UUU? UUU has no volume, nothing on this for me personally. Maybe above 827 I have marked. Entries above 827 on that. APLD, I have a swing in this play. I like it. Bullish with Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin is down like 2%, which is quite a lot. Although I do expect it to break to the upside. RKLB, most plays will be down unless they're top mover, just because the SPY is down 0.3%. RKLB needs this downtrend break. Yeah, it needs downtrend break. I mean, for me, maybe above here, I would take longs above $50. SLNH looks good. I would just mark this high now. This actually looks pretty good. 123 break. Then you have room all the way to 148, 150 level. Watch that 123. So SLNH, wait for 123 break for entries. Yeah, I am sick. Yes. Hello, chat. Tello. Guys, you can also ask questions, right? You can ask questions about the Discord. You can ask questions about something I post on Twitter, what you don't understand, what the difference is, any colors that you're not used to, or what the stop loss targets, all those things you need to ask, all right? Because me doing these charts and tickers is absolutely nothing, to be honest. Yeah, it's not really any information, to be honest, for much people. Wait for 162 break. Wait for 162 break. Tello, grab. Grab. What's happening with this? Grab. You have an ascending triangle around this level. Yeah, grab. You have an ascending triangle. This is a bullish continuation pattern. You should expect price to continue to go in the direction it's going up. Needs to hold the $6 level. Also needs volume to respect. If there's no volume, it will definitely reject this and come down. ASST, what's happening here? ASST is just in demand zone. Nothing exciting for me on this, to be honest. ASST in demand zone. The range on this is also quite large. I know on a 5-minute time frame looks better, but for me, it's tricky. I'll keep on the watch list here for Discord members in case they want to trade it. Grab daily, nice. Targets, I aim for 5% from my entry. IREN probably be down due to Bitcoin. Wow, this thing is actually still up. This thing is unbelievable. Crazy play, man. Crazy play. Yeah, I mean, it does need a pullback at some point. Obviously, don't really know when this is going to pull back. Just use the trend line as an indication. $50. This thing is nearly $50. I remember when this thing was like $9. Anyways, $50 is your major psych level. Then you have 48. And then you can just draw the trend line to help you identify what's going on. Something like this, simple. Still in a bullish trend. Crazy, crazy play, very, very bullish. Blockchain stock runs with Bitcoin. Where have you been? Nowhere, I've just been trading. I just haven't done YouTube because not many people have been joining and things and been focusing a lot on the Discord. What does impulse entry mean? Impulse entry means as soon as that high breaks, you enter. So for example, we're watching this stock right now and it's moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Instead of waiting for a candle to close, if it's moving like this, as soon as it breaks this high, you take the trade. So bang, break, enter, then hopefully for it to go up. That's how you do an impulse. Impulse is as soon as that level breaks. I'm gonna block this. Sorry, brother, but I'm not gonna be copying my charts. JFBR. I don't know, this stock's trash. I would just remove this watch. I'm not even going to bother. This is terrible stock. Just go to the larger time frame. Bearish, 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 bearish. Nothing on this. Terrible, terrible stock. Remove it from your watch list. Trust me. Voxel, very nice play. Gave it to Discord members at 425. It's now up, gosh, who knows, 80%. Insane, insane move. Very, very nice, crazy play. Pretty easy setup, to be honest. You just have to be quick on that impulse buy. All it did was, it was easy play. It went up and then down, up, down, up, down, up. Breaks the high, go up. $10. Next resistance on it. Don't know if I'll trade this. It looks very volatile and the range on it looks a bit too much to me, and it's also near $10. Crazy volume though, so yeah, probably one to watch. Just gonna move it off my watch list for now. I'm not really interested. Right, let's like up the stream. We've got 112 people in here. This is fantastic to see. But we only have 36 likes. Guys, I know we can get... Okay, my friend, you've asked for IMNN. I'm going to remove you from this call. I'm gonna put you in timeout for 24 hours. I've just seen it. You have been removed and you will not be able to speak for 24 hours. Thank you. See you tomorrow. All right, welcome back, Tiger. Yes, welcome. Guys, I know there's a lot of questions. I appreciate everyone asking the questions and tickers. Just bear with me, okay? I see everyone's. Just bear with me. I'm going through it. Going through everyone's, all right? People have also asked as well. Welcome back. Hildren made me rich. Nice, well done. What is your target if ZMB would break 241? I want everybody to understand this. Please, everybody, listen up. Most of you are from Twitter. I want you all to listen. I do not hold for targets. Whatever price I enter a stock at, it could be at $17 million, it can be at $1, it can be at $2, it can be at $20. I aim for 5% from my entry. If I buy, for example, let's do this and hold your hands. If I have $1,000 and I have my first target at 5%, what does that mean? If I buy stock at $2, my first target is $2.10. Does that make sense? Yes, clear, cool. Now, when it hits 210, I will sell at least 50% of my position. What is 50% of $1,500? So what I will do is when it hits $2.10, I will sell 50%, $500. Now, then I will move my stop loss to my entry, right? Let's say it was at $2, okay? Then all I have to do is, and if it goes to 230, 240, 250, 270, 280, I'll just scale out the rest when I am happy. There is no best way to scale out. You don't know what is going to happen to the stock ultimately if you're trading on a 5-minute time frame. Very, very volatile play. So what I do is I sell 50% at my first target, which is 50% of my position. I will sell at least I would say when the market's good, I would sell maybe, yeah, I would say at least 50%. When the market's not great, let's say today, maybe because it's Monday and things, I will sell probably 70, 80% because the market's not as strong, the volume isn't there, I don't see as much potential, so I'll secure more. Move my stop loss to my entry. If it goes up to, if I'm up 10, 20, 30%, I'll sell maybe $200 and maybe $300 and then hold 10% and see what the rest does. So that is what I do. So I do not hold for, I aim at 241. I'm not aiming for 290. I'm not aiming for $20 for next year or anything. I'm in the stock for a few minutes and then I'm out. That is how I trade. So now that should be clear for everybody to know, because I'll get asked, what is your target? What is your target? What is your target? 5% is my target. RKLB, what about RKLB? Nothing for me on RKLB. It's in a bearish trend right now. Nothing. I would only enter above 49.91. So then if I have a 5% target, as I mentioned, we enter above 49.91. My 5% target will be right here at 52.46. So that means if I buy $1,000 of this stock, then if I get to my 5%, I will sell $500 and then maybe I'll scale out the rest of 54 and then maybe 56 and so on and so forth. Clear, concise, easy, simple way to trade. Do you trade fundamentals? Nope, I do not. I'm a day trader. I'm in a stock for a few minutes and I'm out. I don't care about CEO, news, anything. Just a reminder that you're the GOAT. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. APLD, whenever that one. JFBR, whenever that one. Boxel, whenever that one. HMH, whenever that one. Buru, you need to remove this from your watch list. It's a load of SHIT. Trash. Remove this off your watch list and focus on the plays that are running. Trust me, don't waste your time on these plays. They are trash. Trash. Not good, no bueno, bad. ETHSE, nice. Open is here, open is down a bit. It's in this nice little demand zone. I'm actually gonna fix this chart up a little bit. We are in the ascending triangle, but I'm just gonna remove something. So now we have $10 is no longer. This is what I'm liking here. We're having a few confluences that I like on this play. So we have this psychological level. So open's looking good now. We have a strong area of demand here. We have a falling wedge possible setup. We don't really, you can use this wick, but it's not that clean. Technically, it's not falling wedge. You need some more price action to touch the support. Your next demand zone is down here, but that is only valid when this candle does break below here. So if a candle closes below here, then it is no longer valid. So right now we're fine. We need to just hold this $9. Possible falling wedge. This morning, yes, what up? Hims is good long term. I like this play, very bullish. Yeah, nice play. Look at this, crazy play. I wish I got in this stock. There were so many plays have been running recently. It's been kind of difficult to look for swing trades and things because there's so much to choose from, to be honest. But yeah, Hims looks good. Here are your key levels on Hims. TGL, nothing. I would take above this double top 143. Entries above 143, yeah, here. Guys, this is the Discord link here. There is no WhatsApp, Telegram, none of that bullshit, all right? This is the only link you can click to join the Discord. All the entries, stop loss, and targets are given. Swing trades are given. Option trades are given. Everything is given. Live trading like this is given. You can see my screen. You can see my charts. You can see me entering a trade as we do it live. Every single day I do it. Every single day. The prices will be going up, yes, to $130 a month and $300 a month. $300 for 3 months. And then we'll be adding, probably be adding one-on-one as well, which will be different pricing. That will be on request. I don't know. BTBT is just following Bitcoin right now. It's down a bit, yeah. Ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern, same as a bullish pennant. FFAI is still very bearish for me. Nothing. There's too many wicks down here. I don't really like it. Maybe above 192. There's too much resistance around here, so wait for 192 break. Wait for 192 break on that. BBAI is here. I'm waiting for 719 on this play. I mentioned to everyone that it was good entries above here at 622. I even mentioned here on this falling wedge. Well, Discord members know this more than Twitter, but I put it here. I said this was a perfect setup. We had a falling wedge. We had a perfect demand zone. We held this extremely well. This was good entries here for the break to the upside, and it's gone nuts. Mentioned above 622 look good. Waiting for 719 break now. I'm not entering anything anytime soon. Woof. Let's see. It's got volume. Nothing on Woof. There's no volume. I just would avoid something like this. It's also in a downtrend. So when you're in a situation like that, just leave it alone. Difficult to trade, something like that. All right. ARBB gave this one in the Discord as well. Ran all the way up to 950. Gave it like $8.10. Just in demand zone right now. Nothing exciting going on. So yeah, just wait for volume. Still in demand zone. This is where buy step in for price to go up. So if you notice what's happening, up, 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 right? So we can see if this does hold and push up. AIRE, a lot of people are watching this play. For me, personally not interested. It's in a strong downtrend right now. So you don't want to be trading something that's in a downtrend, especially when the market is also going down. It's difficult to trade. Maybe you have a demand zone here. Possible reversal with the falling wedge. You have demand zone here. You have falling wedge, possible setup. So yeah, maybe. I mean, it is under $1. I would only enter this if it was above $1. So if this gets above $1, maybe you can look for entries. Air falling wedge plus demand zone. Not bad setup. Just needs $1. Air MBX RKT. You do something like, yeah, I'm sick. But I have to be, otherwise Discord will blow up. You put another, oh yes, I did, yes. Air entry and stop loss, wherever you like, my friend. 5% stop loss, 5% target is a good idea. RKT, nothing on this at the moment. Try and make this as bullish as I can. Possible falling wedge like this. Not that clean a one, but you do have a nice demand zone here, to be fair. You could use something like this. Demand zone. Yeah, you could use something like this. I would just remove this falling wedge. Just put it in demand zone. So RKT in demand zone. Another reason why this has a possible reversal. Possible reversal. Okay, what else is there? Let's see other questions. I'll get to them now. Give me a sec, guys. Just bear with me. Good morning, BFLY. BFLY for me, nothing. 5 minutes got no volume. Yeah, no volume. Very difficult. Maybe above here. 196. I would even just wait for $2 to be honest. But yeah, nothing. Difficult to trade something that has no volume. For my technicals at least, because I won't respect it at all. I would just wait for $2. Don't even have to wait for this. Well, I would wait for extra confirmation. CJET, nothing on this play unless it's run up. Yeah, nothing unless 0.3408. Look at the overall chart. Just look at it. Extremely bearish, right? Yeah, you have a gap fill, but overall chart is too bearish for my liking. 3408 is where I would look for entries. Thank you. Yeah, me too. I don't like being sick. It's frustrating. Very frustrating. Nothing on this play either. I don't play under $1 stocks, so maybe you could try above 0.3. Anything below, can't really help you with that, so wait for 0.300. 0.3 RR. I like this play a lot. I'm in it long term. 264 is my average on this. Expecting a breakout. Obviously, it just depends on what the market will do today. A little bit difficult since it is Monday and things, so who knows. Still like the setup there. What vision? This is regular Weeble. It's just Weeble desktop. Weeble desktop. You can just type in Weeble desktop. I've been doing this for 4.5 years, my friend. SONN can use this demand zone here if you want. Like this. Demand zone, there's a whole seminar on this in the Discord as well for when you join, on how to find the demand zone and things like that. Possible falling wedge demand zone, yeah, maybe, just no volume on this. Possible bullish setup. RKT, I've gone over this already, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, RKT, I went over already. Air, nothing on air. Nothing on air for me. I know everyone's talking about it. For me, nothing. I don't like stocks under $1. If I had to enter, it has to be above $1. Hive, I like this play long term as well. Bitcoin play. Yeah, nothing right now. Maybe above $4 would be good entries. AMD, still bearish. Nothing. It's in a downtrend. Downtrend. UCH, ATCH. ATCH, your demand zone, you're in the demand zone right now, actually. You're in the demand zone right here. Yeah, this is extremely bearish for me. You need to find some confluences that indicate a reversal to look for any kind of entries. In demand zone, in demand zone, in demand zone. Let me just check something. For those who have just joined the Discord, can you please read your Discord DM? Unfortunately I can't add people right now because I'm over the friends limit, which is annoying, but yeah, there are scammers and spammers underneath my, well, acting as me in the Discord, and they're not me. They're not even part of the Discord. No idea how they're getting in, but yeah. Open has been an ATM for the past 3 weeks. Yeah, I need to pull back. Lays, yeah, Lays is looking good. I have this on my watch list for today. Damn, it broke 601 already. Yeah, well, if it did this, then if it did this kind of wick already, then I'm not really crazy. I'll just mark this. We'll see. Sorry, PLTS. PLTS, nothing on me for me on this. Yeah, nothing. Too bearish. Nothing. Difficult to trade something like that. Target. I mean, Stevie Wonder can tell you what's happening here, and nothing. I do not hold for PTs, price targets. I aim for 5% from my entry. I sell 50% at my first target. And scale out the rest when I am happy. All right. PNW. Right, guys, I've got to head into Discord. PNW, I mean, this is insane. Crazy. Just literally buy on the pullback every time, but it needs to come down at some point. ELNK is looking good. Yeah, bullish, but needs volume. Looks good. Very, very good setup. I need to just add this to my list. Yeah, I like this play. Nice play. Be careful with ETHG. Yeah, I'm not interested in ETHG. Very still what's wrong, need some volume. ETHG, non-trade related, what's your golf handicap? Play off a +2, not 2 handicap, +2. And I ask you, is it easy to make 1% daily on huge capital? On huge capital, probably not, no. But everything is relative. Depends what you're how much money you're trying to make. If you're trying to make a certain amount of money, then I would use the account that makes 1% of whatever you need to make. Making 1% a day is a good goal. You cannot achieve it every day. I wish I could. I average around like 10 to 13% a month on my account. I don't have a large account. I just grow my accounts and I take money out for my expenses and things. But looking, I've got quite a lot of money in my swings now since the market is good, so it's what I've been focusing on a lot more. ISPC, for me, nothing on this, downtrend bearish. I'll do these last two, PTLE, nothing on this, maybe above 0.25. I have a 0.25 here. DGNX, nothing on this for me. This isn't my kind of setup or style. I don't really know how to trade something. Yes, AMD is still in a downtrend. Yes, look, AMD downtrend for me, that's a downtrend. So yeah, right now it's bearish. You can this trend here, whatever. All right, okay, guys, this is the Discord link. Live trading will start in 20 minutes. I will see you then. Hassi is not here this week. It is just me, so I'll be the only one giving alerts.